Want to know how to share Threads profile link on Telegram app? Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to share Threads profile link on Telegram app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see the Threads profile. Now tap on the Share Profile option right beside the Edit Profile. Likewise, a menu will appear. Tap on the Share To option at the bottom. Here you can see the icons of different apps. Select the Telegram app icon. Furthermore, select the chat you want to share the Threads profile link. Finally, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this is how to share Threads profile link on Telegram app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.